Hello, this is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to your website and to get to the first page of Google. I'll go over a few helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the homepage, and your homepage is at 867 words. So we definitely want to get more content added. Another great tip is having your images named as keywords. This will actually help you rank for more keywords. Let's take a look at Cornerstone. They're #1 organically for pediatric counseling OKC. They have 202 words on their homepage, and they also don't have their images named as keywords. So two great ways to get ahead of them would be adding more keyword-enriched content and having those images named as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, our power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 13 and 13 out of 100. You get your trust and your power from these 30 backlinks. Currently, your website has 94 keywords, which is bringing 9 people to your website every month. This is Cornerstone. They're currently sitting at a 21 trust and a 1.8 power. Now, they get their trust and their power from these 233 backlinks. Now, we can actually go in there, take the good backlinks, and leave the bad ones behind. Their website currently has 146 organic keywords, which is bringing 60 people to their website every single month. The next thing we're going to talk about are citations. Now, citation is anytime your business name, phone number, or address are listed on another website, such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 10 citations, and these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get, they're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I have provided you today and do this completely on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I'll ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.